Looking for a beautiful, updated home in a peaceful neighborhood? Look no further than this stunning for-sale by owner located at 1577 North Main in Orem, Utah. It's been lovingly updated and almost too many features to name, including new paint inside and out, granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, new sinks and faucets, doorknobs, light switches, and light fixtures, carpet downstairs, fence in the backyard, water pressure valve, garage door motor is on a Wi-Fi, sprinkler system's now on a Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi thermostat. Even the shed has been repainted. But the beauty doesn't stop there. This home boasts a well cared for lawn with decorative rock and weedless tarp barrier, making it the envy of the neighborhood. It's also conveniently located with easy walking distance to schools and churches and just a few minutes from popular stores and gyms. And with easy access to I-15, BYU, and Sundance ski resort, you'll be able to enjoy the best that Utah has to offer. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call Aaron today at 801-360-2512 and schedule a visit. This home also has some extra RV parking and a storage shed with low maintenance property and a coveted area. You won't stay on the market long.